Chapter 1 introduces digital marketing fundamentals and explains how digital technologies have transformed traditional marketing. Digital marketing is defined as achieving marketing objectives through digital media, data, and technology across multiple channels. The chapter highlights the importance of customer-centric, life-cycle-based marketing, the use of paid, owned, and earned media, and the role of marketing technology, MarTech. It also introduces digital marketing strategy, integrated digital communications, and key concepts such as permission marketing, content marketing, and customer engagement, supported by a case study on eBay's global growth. Blue Book detailed summary, exam/assignment ready. 1. How digital marketing has transformed marketing. Digital marketing has shifted marketing from mass communication to data-driven, interactive, and customer-focused engagement. It is built around 6 core elements: audiences, understanding and targeting online consumers, digital devices, smartphones, tablets, desktops, digital platforms, search engines, social networks, marketplaces, digital media, paid, owned, and earned channels, digital data, analytics, customer insights, big data, digital technology, automation, AI, CRM systems. Marketing now focuses on managing customer lifecycle touchpoints, from awareness to loyalty too. Digital and multi-channel marketing. Digital marketing, achieving marketing objectives through digital media, data, and technology. Multi-channel marketing, using a combination of digital and traditional channels to reach customers. Emphasis on integration across channels to deliver a consistent customer experience. 3. Paid, owned, and earned media. Paid media, online advertising, search ads, display ads. Owned media, company-controlled platforms, websites, apps, email. Earned media, customer-driven exposure, reviews, social sharing. Effective digital strategies balance all 3. 4. Marketing technology landscape. The chapter introduces the growing MarTech ecosystem, showing how tools support data management, customer relationship management, content management, automation and analytics. Technology enables scale, personalization, and performance measurement. 5. Introduction to digital marketing strategy. Key considerations include key features: customer focus, integration, data-driven decisions. Applications: B2C, B2B, e-commerce, services. Benefits: global reach, cost efficiency, measurability, personalization. A strategic framework is presented for developing digital strategy, alongside organizational challenges, structure, systems, skills, staff, style. 6. Digital marketing communications. The chapter explains 6 categories of digital communication tools, e.g. search, social, email, display. Differences between traditional and new media communication models. Importance of integrated digital marketing communications, IDMC. Key concepts: permission marketing, customer consent-based communication. Content marketing, valuable, relevant content to attract and retain customers. Customer engagement, building long-term interactive relationships. 7. Case study. eBay. The eBay case examines its mission and value proposition, revenue model, and competitive positioning. How eBay evolved its online brand proposition. The importance of global digital communication for sustained growth. Blue Book short summary. Quick revision. Chapter 2 focuses on situation analysis in digital marketing by examining the online microenvironment. It explains how organizations must understand customers, competitors, suppliers, intermediaries, and digital business models to compete effectively online. The chapter highlights customer journeys, digital influence on consumer choice, competitor benchmarking, new channel structures, and e-commerce business models. A case study of Bucom illustrates how poor strategic assumptions and execution can lead to failure in digital markets. Blue Book detailed summary, exam/assignment ready. 1. Situation analysis for digital marketing. Situation analysis evaluates an organization's current digital marketplace position. It involves understanding customers and their digital behavior, assessing competitors and market structure, analyzing intermediaries and suppliers, reviewing digital channels and business models. This forms the foundation for effective digital strategy too. Understanding customers in digital markets. Customers interact with brands through complex digital ecosystems, including search intermediaries, e.g. Google, intermediaries and influencers, blogs, comparison sites, social media, destination sites and platforms, brand websites, marketplaces. Tools such as customer journey maps and online marketplace maps help visualize how customers move between touchpoints and channels. 3. Consumer choice and digital influence. Digital media strongly influences consumer decision-making by increasing access to information, enabling peer reviews and social proof, allowing emotional and social engagement via social media. Key customer characteristics include demographic variables, age, income, location, psychographic and behavioral variables, attitudes, motivations, online habits. The chapter introduces consumer personas and explains how digital channels influence each stage of the buying process. 4. Online customer experience. The Online Customer Experience Framework explains how usability, content, trust, interactivity, and emotions shape customer perceptions. Positive experiences increase conversion, satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. Digital media can influence both new purchases and repeat buying across online and offline channels. 5. Competitors in digital markets. Digital markets are highly transparent and competitive. The chapter discusses the shape and nature of online competition, competitor analysis and benchmarking, including website performance, traffic sources, value propositions, digital marketing effectiveness. 6. Suppliers and intermediary. Suppliers include technology providers, content creators, digital marketing agencies, online intermediaries, e.g. marketplaces, price comparison sites, can strongly influence visibility, pricing, and customer acquisition. 7. New channel structures. Digital marketing has created new channel structures where traditional intermediaries may be removed, disintermediation. New intermediaries emerge, reintermediation. Brands can sell directly to customers via digital platforms. 8. Digital business models for e-commerce. The chapter outlines alternative digital business models, including transaction-based models, subscription models, advertising-supported models, platform and marketplace models. Understanding the chosen model is critical to revenue generation and scalability. 9. Case study. Boocom. The Boo.com case explores unrealistic market assumptions, poor timing and technology readiness, weak customer experience, ineffective marketing mix decisions. Although Boocom failed, many of its ideas, rich media, global e-retailing, advanced UX concepts, were ahead of their time and are now widely adopted. Blue Book short summary, quick revision. Chapter 3 examines the digital macroenvironment, focusing on external forces that shape digital marketing but are beyond an organization's control. These include technological, economic, political, legal, and social forces. The chapter highlights the increasing rate of environmental change, the need for strategic agility, and the impact of emerging technologies and regulation. A case study on social media and celebrity influence explores how power, influence, and strategy operate in digital platforms. Blue Book detailed summary, exam/assignment ready. 1. The rate of environmental change. The digital environment changes at an unprecedented speed, driven largely by technology innovation and globalization. Organizations must monitor external trends continuously, identify emerging opportunities and threats, develop strategic agility to adapt quickly. Failure to respond can lead to loss of competitiveness too. Technological forces. Technology is the most significant driver of change in digital marketing. Key factors include internet technologies enabling global connectivity, cybersecurity, and the need for secure digital systems. Mobile technologies, SMS, apps, mobile commerce. Wireless technologies, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Emerging technologies, AI, automation, data analytics platforms. The chapter stresses the importance of assessing the marketing value of new technologies rather than adopting them blindly. 3. Emerging technologies and innovation, the diffusion of innovation. Curve explains how technologies are adopted over time. Innovators write arrow laggards. Firms must decide whether to be first movers, be fast followers, delay adoption until risk is reduced. Different strategic responses to technological change are outlined, showing how firms balance risk, cost, and opportunity. 4. Economic forces, economic factors shape digital marketing investment and consumer behavior, including economic growth and recession, employment levels and disposable income, interest and exchange rates, globalization and global digital markets, economic disruption caused by digital platforms and new business models. 5. Political forces, political factors influence how digital markets operate, such as government control and democracy, internet governance, taxation and tax jurisdiction for digital businesses, cross-border regulation of digital services. These issues are especially important for multinational digital organizations. 6. Legal forces, digital marketers must comply with an expanding range of laws, including data protection and privacy regulations, anti-spam legislation, disability and discrimination law, e-accessibility, brand and trademark protection, intellectual property rights, online advertising and consumer protection law. Legal compliance is essential to avoid reputational and financial risk. 7. Social forces, social factors influence how consumers engage with digital marketing, demographics, age, digital literacy, access, culture and social values, social exclusion, and the digital divide. Social media has transformed communication, identity, and influence. 8. Case study. Social media. Do celebrities call all the shots? The case explores the power of celebrity and influencer marketing, how social movements and consumer activism shape brands. The social media marketing framework, SMMF, as a tool to analyze influence, engagement, control, risk. The case questions whether social media can truly be strategically managed or whether control is increasingly shared with users and influencers. Blue Book short summary. Quick revision. Chapter 4 explains how to develop, structure, and implement an effective digital marketing strategy. It emphasizes the importance of integrated digital marketing, clear goal setting using SMART objectives, competitor and situation analysis, and aligning digital channels with customer behavior. The chapter introduces key strategic decisions, project evaluation tools, and life cycle-based strategies. A case study of ASOS demonstrates how digital strategy can create strong differentiation and shift consumer behavior away from traditional high street retail. Blue Book detailed summary. Exam/assignment ready. 1. Digital marketing strategy and channel strategy management. Digital marketing strategy defines how digital channels support overall business and marketing objectives. It requires managing online and offline channels together, customer journeys across devices and touch, channel roles at different stages of the buying process. Consumer behavior research shows customers frequently use digital channels before and during physical shopping, reinforcing the need for integration too. Importance of integrated digital marketing strategy. An integrated strategy ensures consistent brand messaging across channels, better customer experience, efficient use of resources and budgets. The chapter identifies common digital marketing planning failures, e.g. lack of goals, poor integration, weak governance, and provides solutions such as clearer strategy ownership and performance measurement. 3. How to structure a digital marketing strategy. A structured digital strategy typically includes situation analysis, market and environmental analysis. Consumer profiles. Competitor and intermediary analysis. Opportunity and threat assessment. Consumer profiling. Behavioral, demographic, and value-based segmentation. This structure helps ensure strategy is evidence-based rather than technology-led. Competitor and intermediary analysis. Competitor analysis examines value propositions, channel usage, digital capabilities, strengths and weaknesses. Intermediary analysis assesses the role of platforms such as marketplaces, social media, and search engines in reaching customers. Setting goals and objectives. Key concepts include online revenue contribution, the role digital plays in sales. Smart objectives, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Frameworks that link objectives to business value. Clear objectives guide channel selection, budgeting, and performance measurement. 6. Strategy formulation and implementation. The chapter outlines major strategic decisions, including market and value decisions, market and product strategies, business and revenue models, target marketing strategy, positioning and differentiation, customer and channel decisions, customer engagement and social media strategy, multi-channel distribution strategy, multi-channel communication strategy, online communication mix and budget, organizational decisions, capabilities, skills, and governance needed for digital transformation. 7. Customer lifecycle and differential advantage. Customer lifecycle segmentation shows how strategies differ for acquisition, conversion, retention, growth. Digital marketing creates differential advantage through personalization, convenience, speed, and engagement across channels. 8. Assessing digital marketing projects. The chapter introduces tools for evaluating digital investments, including customer lifecycle management grids, matrices for assessing digital project value, channel coverage maps based on customer value. Generic digital strategies include online value proposition strategy, online and offline targeted reach strategies, online sales efficiency strategy, offline sales impact strategy. 9. Case study. ASOS. The ASOS case highlights use of digital-first strategy to disrupt high-street retail, strong online value proposition, effective use of the marketing mix, customer engagement through social media and content, application of the SOSDAC model to drive growth and differentiation. ASOS demonstrates how digital strategy can reshape entire retail sectors. Blue Book short summary, quick revision. Chapter 5 explains how digital media has transformed the marketing mix, expanding the traditional 4Ps product, price, place, promotion to include people, process, and physical evidence. It highlights how digital technology enables new product forms, dynamic pricing, new channel structures, and interactive promotion. The chapter also explores branding online and innovative revenue models, illustrated by a case study on Spotify and its use of digital media to compete with traditional and online music providers. Blue Book detailed summary, exam/assignment ready. 1. What is the marketing mix? The marketing mix refers to the set of controllable tactical tools used to deliver value to customers. In digital marketing, the mix expands from the 4Ps to the 7Ps to reflect service-dominant and digital experiences, product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. Digital media affects every element of the mix too. Product in a digital environment. Digital technology influences products by enabling variation of the core product, customization and personalization. Digital products, apps, streaming, software, ebooks. Extended products support communities, updates, content. Other key implications include online research and customer insight, faster new product development, faster diffusion of innovation, The long tail concept shows how digital platforms profit from selling a wide range of niche products alongside popular ones. 3. Branding in a digital environment. Digital branding focuses on strong brand identity and consistent experience. Effective brand sites, usability, trust, content. Memorable and searchable online brand names. Success depends on engagement, relevance, and user experience rather than just mass awareness. 4. Price in digital markets. Digital media increases price transparency, leading to greater price competition. Downward pressure on prices. Firms respond with innovative pricing approaches, freemium subscriptions. Alternative pricing mechanisms, dynamic pricing, bundles. New pricing structures and policies. The chapter explains price elasticity of demand, showing how digital markets affect consumer sensitivity to price changes. 5. Place, distribution. Digital channels have transformed distribution through new places of purchase, websites, apps, platforms. Disintermediation and reintermediation. Channel conflict between online and offline routes. Growth of virtual organizations. Place decisions now focus on convenience, access, and omnichannel delivery. 6. Promotion in digital marketing. Digital promotion is interactive and two-way, highly targeted and measurable, integrated across channels, search, social, email, display. Customers increasingly control exposure to promotional messages. 7. People, process, and physical evidence. People, customers, and staff are central to digital service delivery. Digital support systems manage queries, responses, and follow-ups. Process digital tools streamline service delivery, e.g. live chat, automation. Integration of customer-preferred and company-preferred channels. Physical evidence. The website and digital touchpoints represent the brand experience. Design, usability, and functionality shape customer perceptions. 8. Case study. Spotify competes through innovative use of the marketing mix, product, on-demand streaming, personalized playlists. Price, freemium and subscription models. Place, global digital platform. Promotion, data-driven, social, and content-led. People, process, physical evidence, seamless UX, and strong brand presence. Spotify demonstrates how digital media enables new revenue models and competitive advantage. Blue Book short summary. Quick revision. Chapter 6 focuses on relationship marketing and how digital platforms, especially social media and CRM systems, are used to build customer loyalty, engagement, and advocacy. It introduces marketing orchestration, customer lifecycle management, permission marketing, personalization, and lifetime value analysis. The chapter shows how organizations use data, automation, and AI to manage long-term customer relationships, illustrated by a case study on Dell's social media strategy. Blue Book detailed summary. Exam/assignment ready. 1. Relationship marketing and digital platforms. Relationship marketing aims to create long-term, mutually beneficial relationships rather than one-off transactions. Digital platforms enable continuous interaction, personalized communication, scalable relationship management. This shifts marketing from acquisition-focused to lifecycle-based engagement. 2. Marketing orchestration. Marketing orchestration involves coordinating communications across channels and the customer lifecycle to deliver the right message, with the right value proposition, in the right tone, at the right time and context, with the right frequency, through the right media channels. The goal is to achieve a balanced value exchange between the organization and the customer. 3. Using social media to improve loyalty and advocacy. Social media supports brand listening and reputation management, brand transformation and storytelling, customer acquisition, increasing sales to existing customers, enhancing customer service. Effective social media management requires a clear strategy aligned with relationship goals. 4. The challenge of customer engagement. Customer engagement is explained through 4 dimensions: involvement, relevance, and interest. Interaction, two-way communication. Intimacy, emotional connection. Influence, advocacy and word of mouth. Digital platforms make engagement measurable and scalable, but also complex to manage. 5. CRM and customer engagement. Customer relationship management. CRM. Systems support engagement by enabling more cost-effective targeting. Permission-based marketing. Mass customization of messages. Deeper customer insight. Lower marketing and service costs. Loyalty programs and gamification. 6 CRM applications, data, and technology. Key CRM applications include Salesforce automation, customer service management, managing the sales process, customer communication management, data analysis and insight. CRM systems store 3 main data types: personal profile data, transaction data, communication interaction data. AI increasingly enhances CRM through automation, prediction, and personalization. 7. Customer lifecycle management strategy. Lifecycle marketing tailors communication based on customer stage, prospect, new customer, active customer, lapsed customer, loyal advocate. Tools such as lifecycle email marketing, pop-ups, and data capture strategies support this approach. 8. Permission marketing, personalization, and ethics. Permission marketing emphasizes customer consent, transparency, and trust. To maximize benefits of personalization, organizations should give customers greater control over their data, supporting long-term trust and compliance. 9. Measuring relationship value. The chapter outlines key metrics and models: customer satisfaction and loyalty, customer lifetime value, LTV, RFM analysis, recency, frequency, monetary value, segmentation by value and engagement, product recommendation, and propensity modeling. These tools help prioritize high-value and high-engagement customers. 10. Case study. Dell. The Dell case demonstrates use of social media for listening and engagement. Integration of the RACE framework: reach, act, convert, engage. Alignment of digital campaigns with customer lifecycle stages. Strong focus on customer advocacy and service. Dell shows how social media can support both branding and relationship marketing objectives. Blue Book short summary, quick revision. Chapter 7 explains how organizations design, deliver, and optimize digital customer experiences through websites and apps. It covers digital experience project planning, user experience, UX, design, content management, online merchandising, traffic building, and service quality. The chapter emphasizes that usability, performance, personalization, and service quality directly influence e-loyalty. A case study on ITY demonstrates how customer journeys and engagement techniques can be improved to generate leads and satisfaction. Blue Book detailed summary, exam/assignment ready. 1. Delivering the digital customer experience, DCX. Digital customer experience refers to how users perceive and interact with a brand across digital touchpoints. It is a key source of competitive advantage and strongly affects conversion rates, customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. 2. Planning websites and app design projects. Digital experience projects follow a structured life cycle: pre-development, discovery, analysis, and design, content creation, development and testing, launch or relaunch, pre-launch and ongoing promotion, ongoing optimization and development. An iterative approach is encouraged to continuously improve site effectiveness. 3. Who is involved in a digital experience project? Successful projects involve cross-functional roles, including site sponsor and owner, project manager, UX/UI designer, content developers, webmaster and developers, digital experience analysts. Key stakeholders. Clear ownership and collaboration are essential for initiating a digital project. Key technical and strategic decisions include domain name selection and registration, URL structure, hosting provider choice, website performance optimization, speed, reliability. Performance testing tools are used to assess page load speed and user experience. 5. Defining site or app requirements. The discovery analysis phase uses research to identify business and user needs, business objectives, usability requirements, web accessibility requirements, personalization needs, localization and cultural adaptation, competitor benchmarking. This phase also involves designing information architecture, blueprints and site maps, wireframes and landing pages. 6. Designing the user experience. UX design focuses on evaluating design effectiveness, clear navigation and layout, consistency and simplicity, mobile-first design and responsive techniques. Good UX reduces friction and increases engagement and conversions. 7. Managing and testing content. Content must be relevant and up to date. Easy to manage through a content management system, CMS. Tested for usability, functionality, and performance. Testing ensures the experience meets both business and customer needs. 8. Online retail merchandising. Digital merchandising techniques include enhanced navigation and search, faceted navigation, highlighting best-selling products, product bundling, customer ratings and reviews. These techniques help users find products faster and increase sales. 9. Service quality and e-loyalty. Online service quality directly affects e-loyalty. Key dimensions include tangibles, design and appearance, reliability and responsiveness, assurance, trust and security, multi-channel communication preferences, empathy and personal support. Different products and customer values require different types of digital service experiences. 10. Case study. Why the case study focuses on developing customer personas, mapping customer journeys, identifying key content needs, analyzing engagement techniques for lead generation, identifying areas for improvement in UX and engagement. It demonstrates how structured UX analysis can improve digital performance. Blue Book short summary, quick revision. Chapter 8 explains how to plan, execute, and integrate digital marketing campaigns. It outlines the unique characteristics of digital media, a structured campaign planning process, goal setting, insight generation, segmentation, message and content development, budgeting, and integration across channels. The chapter highlights the importance of measurability, interactivity, and integration, supported by a case study on Facebook as a leading digital platform. Blue Book detailed summary, exams/assignment ready. 1. Characteristics of digital media. Digital media differs from traditional media in several key ways. Shift from push to pull communications. Interactive dialogues rather than one-way messages. From one-to-many to one-to-one and many-to-many communication. From lean-back, passive consumption, to lean-forward, active engagement. Greater volume and speed of communications. Higher need for integration and timing control. These characteristics require more responsive and data-driven campaign planning too. Campaign planning framework. The chapter presents a step-by-step campaign planning process, including goal setting, campaign insight, segmentation and targeting, offer, message development and creative, budgeting, and selecting the digital media mix, integration into the overall media plan. This structured approach ensures campaigns are strategic and measurable. 3. Step 1. Goal-setting. Digital campaigns rely on clear, measurable objectives. Key concepts include terminology for measuring digital campaigns, impressions, clicks, conversions. Conversion marketing, approach to objective setting. Linking objectives to business outcomes. Online response mechanisms, e.g. forms, clicks, purchases, enable precise measurement of effectiveness. 4. Step 2. Campaign insight. Effective campaigns are insight-led, drawing on data such as site audience behavior, online buying behavior, media consumption habits, Search behavior. Competitor campaign activity and performance. Insight helps tailor messages and choose the most effective channels. 5. Step 3. Segmentation and targeting. Digital media enables precise segmentation using behavioral, demographic, and psychographic data. Dynamic and real-time targeting. Personalized messaging for different segments. This increases relevance and efficiency. 6. Step 4. Offer, message development, and creative. Key elements include clear and compelling value propositions, message consistency across channels, strong content marketing to inform, engage, and persuade, creative, adapted to different platforms and formats. Content plays a central role in digital campaigns. 7. Step 5. Budgeting and selecting the digital media mix. Budgeting decisions include level of overall investment, selection of the right mix of digital media, search, social, display, email, investment in digital assets, websites, content, data. Attribution models show how different channels contribute to conversion, helping optimize spend. 8. Step 6. Integration into the overall media plan. Integration ensures consistent branding and messaging, coordinated offers, controlled frequency and timing, sequenced communications across channels. Effective integration maximizes impact over time. 9. Case study. Facebook, a titan of the digital age. The case study examines financial and customer metrics to assess performance, business risks affecting future growth, e.g. regulation, competition, trust, strategic options for sustaining growth over the next 18 months. It highlights the strategic challenges faced by dominant digital platforms. Blue Book short summary. Quick revision. Chapter 9 examines the main digital marketing communication channels and how they are used to reach, influence, and convert customers. It covers search engine marketing, SEO and PPC, online public relations, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, display advertising, email and mobile messaging, social media, viral marketing, and offline integration. The chapter highlights the advantages, limitations, and best practices of each channel, emphasizing the need for an integrated communications strategy. Blue Book detailed summary. Exam/assignment ready. 1. Digital marketing communications overview. Digital marketing communications use multiple online and offline channels to build awareness, generate demand, drive conversion, support customer relationships. Integration across channels is essential to maximize impact and consistency. 2. Search engine marketing, SEM. SEM is one of the most important digital channels and includes a search engine optimization, SEO. SEO focuses on improving natural, organic search rankings, key processes, crawling, indexing, ranking, query results delivery. Best practice includes key phrase analysis, on-page optimization, external linking, mobile SEO. Advantages: highly targeted traffic, cost-effective over time. Disadvantages: slow results, unpredictability, ongoing complexity. Paid search, PPC. Paid search uses platforms such as Google Ads and Bing Ads. Advantages: highly targeted, predictable, measurable, suitable for remarketing and prospecting. Disadvantages: competitive and expensive, requires specialist skills, can generate irrelevant traffic if poorly managed. 3. Online public relations and influencer management. Online PR focuses on managing brand reputation, building relationships with online influencers and opinion leaders, generating coverage and backlinks. Advantages: credibility, reach, SEO benefits. Disadvantages: limited control, potential negative publicity. 4. Online partnerships and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pay-per-performance, where partners earn commission for driving sales or leads. Types of affiliates include aggregators and review sites, reward and cashback sites, voucher code sites, bloggers and influencers. Best practice involves careful commission management, tracking, and relationship governance. 5. Interactive display advertising. Display advertising involves paying for ad placement on third-party sites. Advantages: high reach and awareness. Retargeting capabilities. Brand building and halo effects. Disadvantages: low click-through rates. Higher costs. Brand safety concerns. Behavioral targeting improves relevance and performance. 6. Opt-in email marketing and mobile messaging. Email marketing is a permission-based channel used for acquisition, retention, and engagement. Advantages: low cost. High personalization. Direct response. Easy testing and integration. Disadvantages: deliverability issues. Declining engagement over time. Resource-intensive management. Mobile messaging extends email into SMS and app-based notifications. 7. Social media and viral marketing. Social media enables two-way engagement. Community building. Content sharing. Viral marketing leverages network effects to rapidly spread messages, but outcomes are difficult to control or predict. 8. Offline promotion techniques. Offline channels can support digital campaigns by driving traffic to digital platforms, reinforcing brand messages, enhancing multi-channel integration. 9. Case study. Facebook, a titan of the digital age. The case highlights Facebook's use of multiple digital communication channels. The importance of scale, data, and engagement. Strategic challenges around trust, regulation, and competition. Blue Book short summary. Quick revision. Chapter 10 focuses on measuring, evaluating, and improving digital marketing performance. It explains how organizations design performance measurement systems, select appropriate metrics, and use data and testing to optimize digital channels. The chapter emphasizes continuous improvement, governance of content and customer experience, and a culture of data-driven decision-making, illustrated by Amazon's metrics-driven approach. Blue Book detailed summary. Exam/assignment ready. 1. Performance management for digital channels. Performance management ensures that digital marketing activities support business objectives, deliver value to customers, operate efficiently across channels. It requires structured measurement, insight generation, and optimization. 2. The performance measurement process. The chapter presents a three-stage process. Stage 1. Creating a performance measurement system. Define goals and responsibilities. Align metrics with strategy. Stage 2. Defining the performance metrics framework. Select relevant KPIs. Balance short-term and long-term measures. Stage 3. Tools and techniques. Analytics platforms. Testing and experimentation. Reporting and dashboards. 3. Diagnostic categories for measurement. 5. Diagnostic categories help analyze digital performance. Visitor volume. Engagement and conversion. Customer satisfaction and loyalty. Costs and efficiency. Multi-channel integration. These diagnostics help identify causes of poor performance, such as site attrition. 4. Multi-channel performance scorecards. The chapter introduces multi-channel scorecards covering results, revenue, multi-channel contribution, costs and asset utilization, customers and stakeholders' satisfaction, loyalty and defection risk, perceived value and experience integration, core processes. Multi-channel usage, pricing consistency, quality of customer data integration, people and knowledge staff satisfaction, skills and behaviors, brand understanding, customer insight. This balanced approach supports strategic control. 5. Marketing technology and data. A wide range of MarTech and insight tools support performance measurement across the customer lifecycle, including web analytics, social media analytics, CRM and data platforms, testing and optimization tools. Different types of data, quantitative, qualitative, behavioral, are combined for insight. 6. Testing and optimization. Continuous improvement relies on A/B testing, multivariate testing, experimentation with content, design and offers, Testing helps reduce attrition and improve conversion rates. 7. Content management, process-effective digital marketing, follows a continuous content improvement cycle. Write. Review. Correct. Publish. Test. Republish. This ensures relevance, accuracy, and performance optimization. 8. Responsibilities for customer experience and site management. Clear ownership is essential. Who owns the customer experience? Who owns content, format, and technology? Who manages optimization and improvement? Strong governance prevents inconsistency and inefficiency. 9. Case study. Amazon's culture of metrics. The Amazon case highlights clear communication of value propositions and promotions, strong integration of marketing communications, advanced use of technology and data for competitive advantage, a unique culture of metrics, where decisions are driven by experimentation and evidence rather than intuition. This culture distinguishes Amazon from many traditional organizations.